Hello students, welcome to my channel. I am Sreedhar here. What is calcination? What is meant by reduction by metal or aluminothermic process? In the lesson Metallurgy. Calcination. What is calcination? Calcination is the process in which the concentrated ore is strongly heated in the absence of air. The calcination process can understand by seeing few illustrations. First example, if you have concentrated ore of a carbonate, it undergoes calcination process, means carbon dioxide is expelled. For example, lead carbonate on calcination gives lead oxide and carbon dioxide. This is calcination. Example number 2, if your ore is hydrated ore, on calcination the water of crystallization present in the hydrated ore is expelled as water vapor. For example, in bauxite, 2 water of crystallization. On calcination process, the 2 water of crystallization is expelled as water vapor. This is calcination. Sometimes your concentrated ore as organic matter that also be expelled during calcination and leaves the ore porous. Sometimes this method can also be carried out with limited supply of air. I hope everybody understood what is calcination. What are the examples? Next, reduction by metal. This is otherwise called aluminothermic process. In this process, metallic oxides can be reduced by aluminium to give metal. Therefore, the process is called aluminothermic process. For example, chromic oxide can be reduced by aluminium to give chromium. This can be understood by using the diagram. This is known as fire clay crucible. In this fire clay crucible, you take chromic oxide and aluminium powder. The ratio 3:1. Here, above the mixture, take ignition mixture, which is known as barium peroxide and magnesium powder. The entire setup is kept inside another fire clay bath containing sand. Then immerse a magnesium ribbon which is used to ignite ignition mixture. Now, if you ignite the ribbon, means it vigorously burns and ignite ignition mixture. The ignition mixture reacts and evolve enormous amount of energy and heat. That is an exothermic reaction. At this temperature, aluminium is used to reduce chromic oxide into chromium. This is aluminothermic process. Reduction by metal. Point number 2, in this process the metal oxide is mixed with aluminium powder and placed in a fire clay crucible. Point number 3, to initiate the reduction process, an ignition mixture, usually magnesium powder and barium peroxide, is used. After ignition, barium peroxide react with magnesium, gives barium oxide plus magnesium oxide, which is exothermic reaction which liberates enormous amount of heat. Almost 2400 degrees C heat is generated and the reaction enthalpy is 852 kilojoule per mole, which facilitates the reduction of chromic oxide by aluminium powder. Here you see chromic oxide plus aluminium gives chromium plus aluminium oxide. This equation has to be balanced. Listen, we have 2 chromium in chromic oxide, therefore in front of chromium put 2. Here aluminium oxide, we have 2 aluminium, therefore in front of aluminium reactant side put 2. That's all. So aluminothermic process is over. We reduced chromic oxide into chromium by aluminium. I hope everybody understood what is calcination, what are the examples, what is reduction by metal or otherwise called aluminothermic process. Here you see a neat question. Based on that, in aluminothermic process, aluminium act as A, flux, B, oxidant, C, solder, D, reducing agent. So answer the question in the comment box. If you like this video, share, comment, like and don't forget to subscribe. We will meet in another video soon. Thank you. Bye.